For me, content is king. That really is where your virtual events will live and die. It's easy to forget that what we're doing fundamentally when we put together virtual events is we're bringing people together around a shared passion, a community that we're building around a shared interest, passion, whatever it happens to be. And therein lies the real gold dust, if you will, is simply providing content that resonates with the audience that you're presenting to. And so get that content right, get the people talking about the content in the right way, and you'll have an incredibly successful event. So it doesn't actually mean that you need to have well-known brands, well-known names. Of course, that helps in bringing in people. But if you have content that really resonates with your audience, that is perhaps tactical, engaging, digestible, actionable, actually delivers value in some sort of form, that by far is the thing that will raise the bar for your virtual events. And it's the thing that we see time in, time out with our events and with the events run on the HeySummit platform. So get the content right first. Think about the topics that you're going to be covering, and then once that is in place, then you can start thinking about the more sexier sides, if you will, of running a virtual event, ticketing, revenue generation, landing pages, viral loops, referrals, all those sorts of things. But don't miss out the content.